In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the fixed range volume profile on TradingView. This tool is a fantastic way to examine how much volume has been traded at different price levels during a specific time frame, and it can be highly beneficial for making informed trading decisions. The first thing you need to do is locate the fixed range volume profile tool. Usually, you'll find this handy tool in the left-hand toolbar on your TradingView chart. It's typically grouped under sections like forecasting and measurement tools, or maybe even under drawing tools. Once you've located the tool, you're ready to start applying it to your chart. Next, think about the time frame or price range you're interested in analyzing. Click on the chart to select the beginning of your chosen price range. This initial click will mark your starting point. Now, slowly drag your mouse across the chart, moving to the desired endpoint of your range. Once you've reached this endpoint, release the mouse button. Voila! A volume profile will quickly appear on your chart. Let's take a look at what this volume profile represents. When it appears, you'll see a series of horizontal bars. Each bar corresponds to the volume traded at different price levels. What stands out the most is the longest bar within this profile. This is known as the point of control, or POC. The POC indicates the price level at which the highest volume was traded, providing critical insight into where traders have shown significant interest. Another essential feature of the profile is the value area, which is often shaded. This area highlights where a substantial percentage of the total trading volume has occurred, typically indicating price levels where traders have shown considerable interest over your selected period. You may have noticed that these bars are sometimes color-coded. This coloring can indicate buying volume versus selling volume. Specifically, those bars can be shaded differently to show distinction between volume on up moves, which indicates buying, and down moves, which indicates selling. Finally, you have the option to customize the appearance of your volume profile. The settings allow you to change colors for up volume and down volume, as well as the value area, to better suit your visual preferences. Moreover, you can choose whether to display the volume in rows or ticks per row, providing you with flexibility in how detailed the information appears. In summary, by using the fixed range volume profile tool, you can glean detailed insights into trading behavior within specific ranges, helping you draw conclusions and make more strategic decisions about your trades. I hope you find this tool as powerful and informative as many traders do, enhancing your chart analysis and ultimately your trading performance. Happy trading!